Hi again guys, so continuing from the last video that I did, I'm going to show you how to upload the typographical image. So we're going to save it out the same as we did last time. So save for web, transparent background, PNG 24. So if you click save, and then we're going to open Teespring again. So now we've got to the home page of Teespring. If you click start designing, it will then bring you to this page again. So you can choose what product you want to put your design on. I'm going to do a mug this time, just because our design is about coffee. So if you click add image, exactly the same as last time, select your PNG, and then if you click open, so you can either have it on both sides or just on the one. So I'm going to put it on that side for now. So let's just make that slightly bigger. So that's now snapped to the center. So if you go to preview, you can now see what your cup is going to look like. And then if you click back and you click add image, you just need to upload the same image again and drag it over to the back side. So I'm going to let's just start that again. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just make sure that it is in exactly the same place as the front. Which is probably going to be quite fiddly, so you have to have quite a lot of patience to do this. There we go. And then I'm going to drag that across. It should sit in exactly the same place. So, if you click preview, you can preview the front and the back. And obviously if you want to make any tweaks, you can. So I actually want to tweak the back because I think it needs to be more towards the right. So if you click on your image, just move it over slightly. There we go, I think I'm happy with that now. So once you've uploaded your image to the cup, you can then select your product colours again. So I think this will work in pretty much all of the colours. If you want to do another option with white text, then you can do that too, and obviously it'll work with the darker colours then. So I'm going to choose pink, teal, bright pink, the blue's nice, the grey, and the white. So I'm going to choose them colours purely because I think they work best with the dark text. So then you click done, click preview again, and you can see what it's going to look like in all the different colours. Unfortunately Teespring doesn't colour the handle, so that will always be white, but it still works with the overall design. And then you set your price again to whatever you'd like it to be. So I'm going to go for, let's just go for 12. And then again you can either do it different, do it the same, meet the same profit. I'm going to go for that one. And then if you click continue, that will then take you back onto this page. So you can put it on any of the other things that are listed there. So I might actually put this one onto a tote bag too. So if you click the little tick, I'm just going to wait for it to load to see what it looks like. But then if you just need to adjust it, you just click edit. So obviously that has come up with the back and the front on there. So all you need to do, you just need to click on design, click on one of them, delete it, and then you just grab the one design there. Just make it as big as you like. I'm quite happy with how that's sitting now. So now we've got a tote bag too. So this can only come in one colour because it's like obviously it's the natural canvas kind of effect. So then again you just set your profits to however you like. So I'm happy with them. If I click Save Changes, that will update that product. So do exactly the same for all of the other ones, depending on what you want it to feature on. So I'm quite happy with them too for now. So I'm going to click Continue. So then you'll come onto this page and you'll name your design again. And just put a brief description. So yeah, then you just click Publish Listing. And there you have it. There is your featured product. And then again, you can flick through all the different colours. It'll also feature, if you have any more products with that design on, it will feature them here. So here is the tote bag. Again, you could have had the design on both sides. It's completely up to you. And there you have it. Your second design. Make sure you keep watching, guys, and subscribe to my channel, and I will upload many more videos of some different styles of designs.